With this short video and the links below in the description, you'll learn how you can create a very simple Android app like this one here. Now it is very simple, it opens up on your screen and that's it. But after completing this mini project, hopefully you'll feel motivated to learn more and you'll eventually be able to improve on it. I recommend that you create this app in 4 steps. The first step is planning and designing. The second step is coding. The third step is testing and fixing anything. And the last step is exporting it and emailing it to someone. I'm going to talk very briefly about planning and designing as well as the code that I used. And for the last few steps, I recommend that you follow the instructions in the description below. The planning and designing step is important for you to have a clear visual goal of what you want to achieve with your code. Start noting down bits of code that you might need to make this happen, as well as colors, fonts, the view groups, and the order they might appear in the code in order to display properly. Also gather any resources that you might want to refer to later on. Once you've done all of this, you're ready to move on to the coding. Before you actually get coding though, you'll need to have Android Studio installed and running. You can find a link to instructions on how to do this below in the description. Now for this app, I've used Constraint Layout, and it's made of 4 image views and 1 text view. At the top here, I added 2 guidelines, but I think I'll remove them because they were there to help me with an issue I was having with images not fitting correctly. The piece of code that helped me to fix this issue is adjust view bounds set to true. Now the first image view is for the yellow background, and this will sit behind all the other layers. The second is for this vine pattern, the third is for this top lace pattern, and the fourth is for this bottom lace pattern. And lastly, this simple text view is quite interesting because I found out how to apply a Google font to an app, and you can read about this in the description below also. It's very easy for you to create a simple app like this, and I urge you to get started now.